Stress is all around us. It's in all of our lives. I feel stressed, but today I hope to relieve some of that stress with some homemade chamomile tea from chamomile that I have grown myself. It's super easy to do. Let's get straight into it.
Last year, I grew some German chamomile from seed. At the end of the season, it all died off, which is exactly what the plant is supposed to do, as it's only an annual. But what I didn't realise is that some of the flowers had seeds, and the seeds blew into several nearby pots. Instead of pulling the plants out and leaving them to die, I planted them in this pot, which may be a little small, but they don't seem to mind at this juncture. Before we go any further, I'm just going to put a small disclaimer here. Only ever use plants if you're certain you know what they are, and if they are safe for use. Now with that out of the way, we're going to make some tea out of these flowers, and it's super easy to do. All I need to do is pull each of the flowers off the stem and collect them. I'm just going to use a bowl, but any appropriately sized container will work.
I really love that smell. It smells great.
Then we need to put the flowers in something to infuse to make into tea. You could use several things for this, such as a teapot, an infuser, a tea bag, or, like I'm using today, a French press. Once the flowers are in, I'm going to fill it with near boiling water and let it sit for 4 or 5 minutes. Now that it's brewed, I'm just going to plunge the tea, pour it into a mug, and that's it. Now all that's left to do is sit back in my garden and enjoy. You could add a couple of leaves of fresh mint to your tea while brewing it to change it up a little bit, or you could serve your tea with some honey for some added sweetness. Chamomile is great. It has antispasmodic and anti-inflammatory properties, which may be able to help with stomach cramps, digestion, and sore muscles. It also raises our glycine levels, which may make it an effective stress and anxiety reliever. Which is great for me because our avocado seed still isn't doing a whole lot. More waiting to do. Thanks very much for watching this different video today. If you enjoyed it and would like to see more of my videos, please check them out and subscribe to Scott Grows an Avocado Tree. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.